Hello friends, in this video tutorial we'll be talking about central dogma of molecular biology. In molecular biology we basically talk about the biomolecules like our genetic material, that is DNA. So it basically reveals about the flow of genetic information that is present inside the cell. We know DNA is a genetic material present inside the nucleus of the cell, and it is responsible for the phenotypic of organism. So how the DNA forms the protein molecules inside the cell that all pertains to the central dogma of molecular biology. It provides an idea to the gene expression, and basically protein is the end product of gene expression. So DNA is responsible to form proteins inside the cell. After so many researches, it has been found that there occur somewhat an intermediate that helps DNA to form protein molecules. So there were so many scientists who discovered about this intermediate, and Sidney Brenner was one of them who got the credit to discover the intermediate that is known as the mRNA or messenger RNA. Basically, central dogma of life is what? DNA has special property to replicate itself inside the cell. After its replication, what it does after wait a bit okay after replication of DNA, it has property to form mRNA, that is property known as transcription. After transcription, this mRNA comes out of the nucleus and it translates into protein by using particular specific amino acids, and the process is known as translation. So inside the cell, this whole process occurs, that is known as the central dogma of life. Now this protein cannot be converted into messenger RNA, and this mRNA cannot be converted into the DNA. But in some organisms, some prokaryotes, like in case of retroviruses, it has been seen that the mRNA can be converted into the DNA molecules, and that process is known as the reverse transcription, and that reverse transcription helps retrovirus to integrate its genome into the host cell. So conversion of DNA into mRNA and mRNA to protein is basically known as the central dogma of molecular biology.